This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and adjust the flight distance limit on this drone. In the beginning, launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. Now, to the top right, launch settings, select the flight control category, scroll down and look for the distance limit toggle. Now you can switch it on or off, just like that. Once enabled, you can also, set the distance limit. And just use this slider or this little adjustment bar to set it anywhere between 30 and 500 meters, as you please. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.